Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Kittu Angel. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who watched our previous property vlog. Your support means a lot. And to those who are new here, no worries. It's not too late. Our earlier videos are live, where we have explored villa plots and even pre-launched flats. Don't forget to check them out after this one. Today we are back on the road and headed towards Sarjapur. Guess what? We have discovered a new under construction property by Signature Premier, a standalone apartment project that's creating quite a buzz. All flats in this project are 3 BHK with 3 spacious toilets. So let's not wait any longer. Come along as we take you on a full home tour. And afterward, we'll discuss all the important details you need to know. As soon as we step in, there is a foyer area which enhances a beauty of house. After that, there is a beautiful living area attached with a balcony. The balcony is shared with a guest room. As per the dimension, the number of balconies also varies. Details are there in floor plan. Attached with living area, there is a dining area which is exactly opposite to the kitchen. Kitchen is of L-shaped and an attached utility where an extra sink or washing machine can be occupied. Let's step into one of the rooms. It comes with a spacious and well organized attached bathroom, featuring a modern wall mounted toilet. The bedroom itself is generously sized, easily fitting a queen size bed and a full size wardrobe, with plenty of space to move around. Let's have a tour for other rooms and then we'll discuss further. This is the construction site. Construction work has already been started. As I said earlier, a standalone tower with east and west facing flats are there. More than 60 square feet road has been proposed in front of the property. They are also providing 40 plus amenities like amphitheater, pool, tree court, yoga deck, sitting area, and many more. If we talk about connectivity, nearest school is NPS Vartur. Other renowned schools are there in radius of 10 km. Sakra Hospital is the nearest hospital which is around 30 km from property. Domasandra and Sarjapura metro station has been proposed which is around 8 to 10 km from property. Other connectivity details are there in your screen. Coming to insides of property, there are total 109 units, expanded over 2 acres with 81% open spaces. More than 60 square feet road is there in front of property. Project is also RERA approved. Position is proposed on March 2028. Let's check out the pricing. The base price of the property is 7,500 rupees per square feet. Other details are there over screen. If we talk about buying options, personally I feel there is a room to negotiate on the pricing. While driving from Sarjapura towards the project, especially after crossing Sarjapur Circle and entering the lane, you will notice that the area is still in the early stages of development and not yet fully residential. Of course, there is a possibility that by the time the handover happens, we will see the significant progress and more infrastructure coming up. But again, that's a probability, not a guarantee. So, my suggestion is do your research well, explore the locality in person, and have a detailed discussion before making any investment decision. Thanks for watching. If you are looking for a property in any specific area, just let us know in the comments or message us. We'll make sure to bring you the best options from your location. If you are enjoying our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support our channel. It really motivates us to keep bringing you more helpful videos. Thank you. Bye bye.